welcome to my channel, Meylaxing. This is actually my first video, and I'm happy to be talking about strange ways on how to get clear skin. I know there are so many DIY recipes that you could see on Instagram, Twitter, blogs, but I wanted to share my video on strange ways on how to clear your skin. So I've done my research on random products that are used to clear skin, either if it's reducing or lightening any dark marks, just evening out your skin tone, clearing your skin whenever it comes to any acne, or any redness or bumps. So these are ways on how to get rid of all of those. We're going to start with number 1, liquid chlorophyll. I thought this was pretty strange whenever I found out about it. It's actually a green pigment found inside of plants, and it's really good when it comes to bad breath, constipation, wound healing, and acne is known as a wound. And also, I don't know if it's TMI, but it's pretty good for your private parts. It actually increases the sense of smell, makes it smell like mint and flowers. Any flavored liquid chlorophyll that you get, that's what it's gonna smell like. Also, it's an anti-inflammatory, so a lot of people like to just have 1 teaspoon a day and reach their goal to have clear skin. So number 2 is Visine, the little eye drops that are meant to take away the redness off of your eyes. So basically, it does the same effect as what it does to your eyes to your pimple. It actually gets rid of the redness or swelling around, doesn't directly take off your acne or the pimple that's there, but it does take off the redness. So if you suffer from any redness, this is a good little trick and hack that you could do. So number 3 is turmeric powder. I love turmeric powder so much. A lot of people actually use it inside of their rice, just cooking their meat, and just cooking overall. They just like to add that little bit of seasoning. And turmeric is actually a known anti-inflammatory. This is really good for healing the skin when it comes to any redness or any swelling, as well as your acne. It's super good with preventing breakouts and also just to minimize your pores. Now we're on to number 4, and that is potato. I don't know how to say it anymore because a lot of people say it both ways. Potatoes. And it's super good with soothing any inflammation that you may have on your skin, your pores, acne, anything on your face or skin. It'll help you out and bless your life. Super soft and calming to the skin. What they do is they just slice the potato, just lay it all over their face for 30 minutes, and you can do the same thing for any dark under eyes that you may have or any bags. Instead of using tea bags, you can use potatoes. So for the eyes, you could actually slice and cut the potatoes in crescent shapes so you guys can leave it down there. Number 5 is Pepto-Bismol. I find this one to be very strange, but you know what? I like it at the same time because it has an acne fighting ingredient, salicylic acid, and basically this helps to unclog your pores. It also helps to reduce any amount of acne or acne scars that you may have. This has skin tightening properties that help with tightening your skin and boosting up and plumping up your skin to reduce any lines or wrinkles. So for the Pepto-Bismol, you want to leave this 20 minutes as a mask. And I think it's pretty cool. You're gonna have a hot pink mask on. You're gonna be like, work, you know what the deal is. All right, so do that. Number 6, apple cider vinegar. This has to be, you know what? This tops it all. I'm done. Yep. Showstopper right here. Apple cider vinegar. Let's say it again. Apple cider vinegar. Hey, apple cider vinegar. Okay, all right, so apple cider vinegar has to be my complete favorite. You can use it inside of anything. And I love how it feels after you put it on. Once it's diluted with water, has a little tingly sensation on top, so it's pretty exciting whenever you use it inside of your routine. This is an all-natural astringent, and also it helps to clear up your skin, it reverses aging effects that you may have, and also it helps to lighten dark marks that you may have. Say if you popped a pimple and you have a little dark mark, bloop, you just put water and apple cider vinegar on top of a little cotton round. Make sure it's diluted with the water. Put enough water. Literally dab it on. You're going to feel a little bit of tingliness. Just take it off. So I hope you guys loved this video, and I hope that it helped you in any sort of way. And if you guys ever used any of these products, let me know in the comments below. And also do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here I will be sharing ways on how to get clear skin, little tips and hacks that you could do on your everyday life just to make skincare more fun. Bye guys. Mwah, mwah. No, but for real, I really want to know if you guys use this because it's pretty fun. Speaking from experience. You know what I'm saying?